Hey yo, what's up traders? It is your boy T-Bank Traders. I know it's been a while I haven't posted here on my YouTube channel. So yeah, we back at it again. We're about to analyze the gold and see how it's reacting right now. Because you can see guys right here we having a ascending channel. So the market is inside our channel. So last week we witnessed this doji right here on our um resistance trend line, because we can see starting from here the market had a touch 1 2 3 touch. So this 3 touch made the market to fall down to the downside. So right now what I'm seeing right now, um I'm anticipating the market to come back around these areas, somewhere around here, to get a touch on this trend line right over here. Because on the H4, I saw a bullish order block, meaning the market is coming back to retest right over here. Then we can witness the market pushing to the upside, because last week we saw the market broke our all-time high here. When we look at the left, on our left hand side, we can see here that the market broke to the upside. Now since we have broken to the upside, we have created a new high on a daily time frame. So I was already expecting something like this, because I can see that the market is inside our channel. So I like to stick on technical analysis. So I know that gold, most of the time, it respecting price action, of which it is technical. So I'm anticipating that the market will come back down here, somewhere around here, because we already broke to the upside. Now we're coming back to retest. Let's go to the H4 time frame. Right, on the H4, I already saw that, okay, since the market has came here, we saw some bearish pin bar here. In the morning I saw that the market came here, then come back to this trend line. I saw that the market won't close above this resistance trend line, because it's really strong. I drew this trend line on my on H4, because I can see that the market is moving to the upside. So right now what I'm anticipating currently, right now, I can see this auto block somewhere here. I can see here that we having an auto block, right? This is where I will anticipate a buy. So I'm waiting for the market to come and tap here, mitigate this bullish auto block. Then that's when we can see the market pushing to the upside, taking the overall direction of the market, because I like to stick on the higher time frame. So I don't like to trade against the trend, because I already saw that on H4 the previous candle was engulfed, right? Was engulfed this one. So I saw this is a bearish engulfing. In naked forex we say it is a bearish big shadow, but then in price action they say it is a bearish engulfing. So yeah, you can call it whatever you like. So I'm waiting for the price to come down here, to mitigate somewhere around here. We might witness maybe a liquidity grab, and then we shoot to the upside. So my stop loss will be right over here. Somewhere around here. This will be my stop loss, right? Let me just place it now. So in the morning, everyone was like, okay, they see that the market, it was like the market wanted it to go to the upside, but nah, it did not, because I already thought that, because on a daily, we already printed a, what you call this candlestick confirmation on a daily. I saw this spinning top, this one, this spinning top. Then I saw this candle rejecting our trend line resistance, meaning that the price has to come back because we already overbought. So the market has found an exhaustion, so it has to come back for a pullback. Then that's when we can anticipate an impulsive move to the upside. So all of those things, you should observe them in order for you to like get a clue where does the market wants to go. So here on H4, as I said, I saw this order block, this order block. I'm anticipating that the price will come and mitigate this order block. Then that's when we can anticipate an impulsive move to the upside, because we already broke the all-time high. Right, when you look to the left, we've broken the all-time high. Now we're waiting for the price to come back to mitigate this auto block right over here. So now ain't no rush, because everyone was anticipating that the market will come here, then shoot to the upside, because everyone was anticipating that this this rejection, this bullish hammer, this, they thought the market was going to shoot to the upside. Cantina, this was an inducement, right? When we go to H1, let me just come where the price is right now. So here on H1, I'm waiting for the price to come back here, because we have an auto block. This is an auto block. This is a 4-hour auto block. So I can see right over here that we have a bullish FVG. So we can tap around these areas. Then we can anticipate the market shooting to the upside, because we can see here previously that the market, when it came here, it started to shoot to the upside. Buyers stepped in, then took control over sellers. So now the market is coming back right over here to shoot to the upside. So in the morning, I was like, okay, the price was wanted it to shoot to the upside, of which was, everyone was like, okay, the price came here on this support, this support zone, this support, this internal support. So I don't usually focus on inner structures. So I look for levels on the higher time frame. So everyone thought, okay, the price is going to shoot to the upside, but that's not the price was wanted to do, because they saw this dodgy, this indecision candlestick, and they thought, okay, the price is going to shoot to the upside. But no, the price was not already exhausted. So we're waiting for the price to come at least right here to get at that touch. Then that's when we can anticipate for buys, because I can see on the H4, that we are bullish. We are bullish on H4, and no, man, we are bullish here. We are bullish on H4. The market is making high highs, high lows, but we still inside our channel. So most of the traders don't really understand when the price is making a pullback, especially novice traders, new traders, those who came early into the market. So right now, what I'm seeing right now, I can see right over here that the market was consolidating, right? The market was consolidating right here. Then boom, we saw this beautiful bullish candlestick going to the upside, right? Breaking the structures. Now we coming back, right? We coming back to this to this trend line, our support trend line. So we're waiting for the price to come and mitigate here to the upside. I was like patient, and wanted to see whether the price is going to respect this lows, this this support right over here, this support over here. Because what I can tell you guys is that you should be able to know how to read candlestick like a poetry. So you have to read your candlestick, understand the candlestick confirmations. You should able to read all the candlestick confirmation because they are telling you something about the price. Where is the price is about to head? Because I also see that okay, we are on a H4 and H4 it's a higher time frame. So I saw this rejection and I thought to myself, okay, since well I see this bearish this pin bar, this bearish pin bar, then I saw okay another candle, this candle, okay, then the price started to engulf the previous candlestick, of which it started to engulf this one this one that I've marked right now, and we saw a red candlestick on H4. So in your mind, what is that telling you? Okay, sellers about to take over buyers. So in my mind I was okay, since well we see a bearish engulfing, we should sell the market because we know that higher time frame dominates over lower time frames. So you shouldn't trade against the trend. Always stick to the trend of the market all the time in order for you to be a profitable trader. Because most of the traders thought okay, the market since well it came here on this support because they see this bullish hammers, these ones, and they thought to themselves okay, the price came here again, okay, now we might buy. And that's not the way I view the market because I like to be on the higher time frame, right? All right, I like to be on the higher time frame. So I saw this we have broke this this support, we already broken this support. So since well we have broken the support, the price, since well okay, we can see another support right over here. So the price, since well it's right over here, the current price, we might witness a smaller yana pullback, then drop, boom, right? Then when we get here at 4369.37, that's where we might witness a buy, or came even downward on this auto block here at 4356.55. This is our buy signal right over here. This is where we might witness our buy signal, because we can see that the market right over here created a base, right? The market was consolidating, then boom, then come back right over here. We see that here we having a morning star, then boom, shoot to the upside. Then the market started to consolidate a bit, then come back to this resistance trend line. Then that's when we saw that the price is going to drop. Now here what it did, the market, it eventually dropped to the downside. So right now it's a matter of waiting, right? It's a matter of waiting it's a matter of waiting. So I'm waiting for the price to drop. Then this will be like maybe a swing trading, yeah, not so, I don't know. But then this is where I'm looking for buyers, right? This is where I'm looking for 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 buys. Or we might even swap, or we might even swap this lows, because you can see right over here, some sort of like we have equal lows, and you know equal lows equals to liquidity. Most of the stop losses, you can see we have placed my stop loss. So the price, you know, gold, how it is, gold, it's really dangerous. It might swap these lows, and that's when we can weakness the market to shoot to the upside. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Trade safe, be profitable. Everything will be fine. Just be consistent all the time. Show up on the market. Trust your analysis. Don't doubt yourself. If you do that, then you're good to go. Because I used to doubt my setups, but now I'm getting used to them. So yeah, let's chop it out, guys. It is your boy T Trader. Peace out. I'm signing out.